Tama ka tla dula ntlhokomela.
Kwayena angeke aphile unomphela. Jeez. Ntani kuselukhule man ubeyindoda. Uzenzela izinto zakho man. Kusathelani lokho?
Oh hayi, ungaliphathazela isumoya. Ngithathe leli ngoba libaleke kakhulu kumfowethu. Ngashiya kodwa elinye elingathisha kodwa nje lihle naliyatha ngizukhathazeka.
We have to make sure that she's pregnant. And if we're pregnant, that's the first step. I got this as a gift from Monaka. As a peace offering for Hakibuabek from Rustenburg.
What's about he doesn't want bad blood between the two of you, Edgar?
To Maponya Mabaso Media. But Netela, I'll believe it Hakebon. You all are amazing journalists, and I'm sure you're going to. You're going to.
Ndiyadida. Uvele wahlala phansi wavala amehlo engathi uyacambalala.
Totally freaky.
Lesikabala buya mantswe anake afihla mona.
I'm here for Kumo Moroka. Okay, and who's his doctor? Kumo. Right there. Thank you. What's wrong? Who's it? But you were there with him, right? You saw everything.
Yeah, he was giving his goodbye speech to the staff, and then he just stopped talking. Anadizi, and then akwala.
He fainted.
Really, imba.
It's not making sense.
Ma, how's Uncle Kumo?
You are crazy bringing this child here. Oh,
No, stay.
she is tearing our family apart.
You're doing a pretty good job of that yourself, Mom.
That's so great, girl.
uChris bekathi impi ayikakapheli utshentsha nje indawo. Chris bekathanda ukubiza umhlangano. Makatholi chance nje.
Babangakayi bathuba mama.
Uprincipal abekathukile. Njalo nje uChris makakhuluma ikhehla belifonela epolice station.
Awu belithengisa ngabafundi bali ikhehla.
Njengoba sizwa amaphoyisa sewasondela kanjalo ngama-siren sesiyaqala manje sabaleka wonke umuntu uyabaleka siyagijima masigijima kanjalo sowuzwa amaphoyisa sebadubula bashaya ngama-rubber bullet.
Azange nize nibanje.
Azange size sibanjwe ngoba besigijima masigijima kanjalo mina ngagijima ngabalekela ekhaya. Mangifika ekhaya abazali bebangayithandi lento leyo bangitshela ukuthi ngislima ngigijima ngazi ukuthi ngigijimela ini ngoba masingabanjwa la sebagcina sebakhipha induku bayangishaya manje.
Bebekusabela
bayangishaya bayasabela ngokuthi siyagijima nje namaphoyisa nawo.
Yeah.
Bangishaye.
Angithi bebazi ma ukuthi kwenzakalani emntwini ophikisana nomthetho.
Yebo bebazi. Ngoba bebangisabela nabo ukuthi kube ngibanjiwe la ngalahleka bangazi ukuthi ngikuphi. Bebanezathu ngoba iveni mayingangibamba bengiyonyamalala.
Warona, ke batla senior editorial team mo boardroom gone yanong.
Yo, ayintando khona ngibhizi ngakho man. Hey.
Awu tla thabela go bona se.
Uyitholile?
Ya, engwe ka ntle mara Hayi sharp. Mara strike sa teng sa le sharp.
Tando. Uyithole njani?
Yo, Sebe, go ne go le thata. Ke ile ka batlana le motho a nkang ditso tse lahlwang and a tsebang something and a nchaela gore ke check mo describe ya tsa London Road. Yo, ke ile ka fihla mo ka nako e right. A thuo ya teng e ne e swapa di-metal for nyuku mara ke kene ka mo stopa.
And then wakunikeza yona trek njalo.
Hayi, no ways. Ule antanza.
What?
Mara qetellong a bona hore hai a ka se kgone so a kopa tšhelete.
Okay, bese wamnikeza imali leyo.
Of course go tshwaetse hore ke mabaso how tšhelete a se bothata mo rona e kena easy.
So Ntando ufuna ukutshela ukuthi konke lokhu kwenzele mina.
Of course Nomasebe nka etsa anything for wena.
Ngiyathokoza.
Kasi interview fela. They are honoring a generation.
Bengafani noChris. Mina bengifuna ukufunda ngibe social worker.
Ba bua ka real stories tse leng gore batho ba ka ikamanya le tsona.
Kuyo yonke lento eka 1986 uhulumeni bekanganandaba nabantu abamnyama. Bengakhoni angitholanga ithuba.
Wenza njani mama uqeda isikole?
Ngathola ama-peace job, ngihamba ngithola ama-peace job. Mhlambe kube contract 3 months after lapho ngizohlala ekhaya. Ukuthola umsebenzi kahle ngiqala ukuthola umsebenzi 2008.
Yo. Yazi siyakhohle ukuthi sinenhlanhla kangakanani ukuthi sithole ithuba lokufunda.
Hayi ngempela. Phela igeneration yonke lengazange lithola ithuba yabona.
And that's why they're trending. It's a master class. A gona o putleng go bua. La le esi fela.
We're doing our best.
And that's not good enough. O ka ilula.
Since I look high, Mr. Mkhali.
Le fatshe ga le eme ka gonne motho o utlwile botlhoko. Gona no nyana podcast in real life a few hours ago. Yano ba bantisa about 250,000 views. Do better or I'll find people who can.
I'm just causing problems for wena and your family yakho so ngcono bandi hambi.
Yeah, Sam, nathi asambe mfethu.
Hayi ungasasho.
Uzani keep her updated, ne?
Of course.
Thank you.
The others left. Well, it's probably for the best.
We haven't really gotten the chance to get to know one another, but from what I've heard, you're best friend of my uncle, so... And by that, I mean, you're his only friend.
You could say that.
Any idea what caused this?
Nana, I could say it was all just so unexpected. Nikinana ruatlala and... Mira, how can...
The doctor still... Wait. He's in a coma.
Is he going to die? Any hope?
Well, for now, his organs are functioning.
But it's something to make him better.
There's not much they can do. But more can say drip, from an hydration and, nutrients.
What's happening next?
Look, there's a tox screen and we'll come on my dad something, to explain what's happening.
Until then,
we wait.
Yo, yane, ineli busiu bo manati mo bophelong ba.
Yazi ukuthi nje angikhola ukuthi uzitholile.
Whatever seo se hlokang. Nka se etsa.
Tano, yazi ukuthi I was wrong about you. Nangiza ukuthi usidlalela somsanyana. Ngemva kwalokho ngenzile khona indoda mbali ngakwenza konke lokho.
Jojo.
Yeah. Indoda mbala Tando isebenzisa amandla ayo ukusiza abantu ingase ubagandelela. Pheze uyafana nobo bakho.
eo ke ntho e nice ho fetisa anyone eo a nkileng a mpolela yona.
Angeze ngakulibala lokho.
A tseba ke fumane passion ya. Ke ne ke nahana hore ke modeling. Fela a se yona. Ke wena Nomasebe.
Hobaneng o sa apara hore o ye mosebetsing?
Andizukwazi. Ayo kwangoko.
Kgale kwana ke ile ka kgutlela mosebetsing letsatsi morao ga funeral ya mme wa ka. Ha lona ba shaba matsatsi a le soft.
Uke waziva ingathi impilo zethu zicursed.
O bua jwang?
Umelo collapses and gets into a coma wade waluza nomntwana. Wena ngapha phansi wabulawa nguJack Mabaso. I-boyfriend yami commits suicide and then umalume wakhe gets into a coma.
O sounda jwale ka bomme ba ba superstitious. Hai kwana ke tsietsi fela.
Mina ngikwazi uku-accepta ukuba le nto lena i-random and there's no reason. There has to be.
Bophelo ke bothata. O utlwa bohloko. Dipelo tsa rena di a robeha. Batho ba re ba ratang ba shwa. Fela ra tsoga the next day. Re tswela pele ka bophelo.
Andazi bazamzisa njani lo mntana emhlabeni yazi.
E be le hore ha o bue seo ke se naganang gore wa se bua. Lulama o rwala ngwanenwa. Ntho e le nngwe fela e leng gore ga ba tshwanela go e etsa.
Ibo relax. Andithethi loo nto. Nje andazi uba ndizamkhulisa njani ndindodwa. It's a lot.
Sebes. Le rato la ka. Got us food.
Uyazi ukungilame kangangani?
Ke tsebile o tla bolapile. Always o lo bala ho ja o sebetsa wena.
Hayi. Wazokala njengogogo.
Hao, monna o tshwanetse o hlokomela mosadi wa hae.
Ke mosadi wakho mina.
Maybe. Anyways, ke tswa ko plekeng le ya Utopian e o ratang haholo.
Yes.
Ibili, ke la ka hopola hore ke o rekele vegetarian.
You mean vegan?
Yeah, that one.
I mean, so sweet. Yes, hi. Oh, thank you. Thank you for calling me back. We found the stolen art piece I wanted to show you. Yeah, I understand, but that's my actual style, not the painting you saw. Okay, I understand.
And then, Barry.
Sekulate Ntando. Bathi isikhala sami sivaliwe.
Abathana lo yithe jalo man.
You know, yazini angikholwa ukuthi I'm out of the episode.
No ekuphoso yakho. Ngibile late.
Sanibonani. Nesithina uphi uLathiswa?
Awukeva. Lathiswa se-ICU.
Bamntana abantu beka-Grand Mosizolo. Tshunakaleni?
Admitted ebusuku. Kube ne-complication nge-treatment yakhe.
Hayi wena. Complication enjani manje?
Ngiyaxolisa, kepha ngikhona ukukutshela.
Hawu Maranesi. Amosekhestero sibonile mose sithi kuringaringa mina umngani wami.
Ngiyakwati lokho. Kepha usile ilungelo lomndeni wakhe. So ngikwati ukudalula information lefana njengaleyo.
So manje mina ngithuleni. Ngiblomenti deghe ngilokho ngistressa ngomngani wami.
Mr. Yale phefumula. Uqale nge-treatment yakho. Lathiswa usetandleni etikahle. Odokotela benta konke lokusemandleni abo ukuthi basindise impilo yakhe.
Baba. Hona le something e ke batlang hore re bue ka yona.
Nani ngomatasatasa na ngiyasebenza mina.
Ke ka business.
Dan, please ngifaka usizo baba mfana wami. Ungazongiqala ngalento yakhe nonsense emohle.
Hayi Thama. Ke batla o nhlabele kgomo.
Hlabela inkomo. Ngihlabela inkomo wenze njani?
Ke batla ho ya for license ya trucker and ke batla di blessings tsa badimo.
Amisha.
Ke nana hore ke nako ya hore ke iqete nthwena. Ke fumane tšhelete ya mampela. Go gone ho etsetsa mdeni wa ka something.
Uthini mfethu ngiyaphupha yini? Hayibo, anana. Abathi zayikhonko thimbaba. Zayikhonko. Shi, wemfana. Uyazi wena ufana ndodana yolahleke ebuye emasikweni esihamba ncama shi enyathweni zayise. Ha, wazala wena. Mfana wami. Awazi ubaba ujabe kanjani ukuzwa into oyikhulumayo.
Ya Thama. So, ngihlanhlabela.
Cha ke ukuhlabela uzozenzela wena.
Ke tla ya mo Thama. Se ke fumanile nasi.
Lento yelenasi mntanami into nje yamantombazane ngathi ishu. Uyabona wena kube kuthiwa waqhubeka wenza unalenasi manje ikhanda yakho lagcwala nje intuthu walibushuthana le thombe yonke into ngathi ishu.
Thama. Modeling ke easy money. Ngikana le talent for yona.
Yabona ke manje suyayisusa ke. Masuqala inkulumo yakho ngathi asezukuzwana nhlobo.
Okay, Thama sharp. Utlanthusa.
Ya, ngizakuthusa mfana wami. Hawu, yazi kwakusiza ukuthi ujoyine noSebe ngoba uthe combo kwathi hla. Engene emgodini iqhamuka ngenye indlela mfana.
Thama asiyena fela etsang hore ke etse sena.
Hayi suka man. Bonke abafana babefaka le nyoka zabo lapha emgodini. Kuthi khanye.
Uronka ntho ya one time. Akimfana. Ke monna jwale.
Yini wakithi? Umna. Hayi baba yakwamnene budodeni. Nosana.
Esikhoma. Today, I drink to you, my friend.
I got this as a gift from Monaka. Ooh, lovely fragrant hints on the nose.
Wait, Alam, this house smells toxic. Una link ang bottling yun.
Can we get you some food at least? You need to eat something, Mimi. Staying here at the hospital is kind of senseless. And they're taking good care of him. But Lafona, if anything changes, like it or not, life goes on. Yours, mine. Ginali life back in London. A job, friends. And Ginali this guy.
Khotlo's here.
What?
Tlabona.
What do you mean?
Kumo, utlo papama. And her papama, things will go back to the way they were before.
I don't think...
Like nothing happened. Kora ha papama, ahutla. It'll be the same good old Kumo. My other half, my twin brother, my superhero. I wanna go to her papama. Abona lemo mubite. His niece by his bed, waiting for him. His sister waiting. Then we can go back to normal. Yeah. Wouldn't that be great? Hey?
Let me get you something to eat.
Okay, keep the change.
Yeah, damn it, man.
King ka tla re Queen of Gomorrah le ena o tla batla something yana.
Ngishaya ikhimo mina. Angisakwazi ukuphuza phela.
Sorry man, athi ke lebetse.
Awula kusuke kuphela olibethiyo. Yazi makuyilama supply ami angijwayela kabi straight yazi. Bathatha ama chance labantu laba. Bafuna ukudeliver ngesikhathi sabo and mina anginasikhathi sokuthi ngibahlayela entameni.
Mara ke re o tlisitse nomasebe gore a tlo o thusa ka dinelo tse.
Akuna nomasebe ozobeka eyami shipping number 1 khohla ngalokho.
Mara o ka mogafa. Hana choice.
Thewa. Angizogafa lo yakedlo yana uthabela na 24/7.
Okay, hayi but na re ke so he. Ke bona re ke itatle ka one motho o kwatisitseng or ntho e go kwatisitseng ha e sa le o kwatisitse long before nna ke fitla mo.
I don't fight. Okay. Yo, ulathiswa. Ikhimo body yami.
Ngikusatsebe gore that's a thing.
Mina saseyithing. Kana abantu le ICU.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Eish. It's just the other day benginayo. Beka grand, fine.
E le gore ne mo stage ma.
Mfethu stage 3 melanoma.
Oh, that's serious.
Abhlungayo yes. That's why mina bengafuni ushaya bo choose lapha yana mfethu. Kule ndawo yini? Bengafuni mina. Mara yabona ulathi mina yazovela wangisakha indoda.
So awushibile utlo survive.
Ngikena mina. Kodwa laba bafuna ukusitshela next. Imatawa. What if dating sithunakala kimi mfethu eh? Like ikhimo ingatheshi bese ngiyabhoda la.
Bona wathi ke next sabatho buka ka dating yena before. Mara ke mo will espanang teng. So how na le yone? That's a problem.
Yeah, man, bengafuni nje uzigcwalisa ngalomoya lona wobhoda man.
La o sa body at least ntho tsa gago di tla be di dutse gantle man. And that in you tla ga peace of mind. So get it done.
Yeah, consider. Wait.
Wena lo bengizayibuza ukuthi usazokudla nathi noma cha.
Look familiar. Ke thotse officing ya Khumo. Ile mpho etswang ho wena.
Officing ka Khumo. Kanjani?
Botlo le ena una ikipa ku Triple M.
Aw godwa.
Kodwa ini? Ke fihlile mona ntlong yana. Ka thola lona ba babedi ntse le tswa kantsha something mona mo phetiong. Ntlwana ka fela ena le di toxic fumes. Wanka botlolo wa ntse ka mo boxing ena and tempered with the whiskey.
Serious buff.
Ke tseba eng? Ka nnete hona le ntho e le entseng whiskey ena. Kuma is in a coma right now.
Huh?
Hayibo.
For sure.